cuties, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup video, and this is a highly requested video. I posted this video of me doing my makeup on the bus and it got 1 million views. Under my comment section, the girls want to see me try the Igari makeup, and so today that's what I'm going to do. I don't currently have any skincare on my face. I'm going to start with my skincare. I'm going to start with the toner. This is the Annual 77% Heart Leaf Soothing Toner. So I'm just going to This is the Olive Face and Body Moisturizing Fluid. So Igari makeup it's basically a Japanese makeup look that make you look flushed after you've been drunk. Kind of a drunken makeup look, let's put it that way. As you can see, I'm a black girl. I don't really blush or get flushed from being drunk if my skin does not go pink. So we're gonna create that with makeup today. And by the way, the sunscreen I use is a moisturizer and sunscreen all together, and this is the Tebi Skin UVLC. It's a sunscreen and a moisturizer all in one, but I just like to use it as a sunscreen. I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to use the Refi tint first. I recently purchased this brow tint and I absolutely love it because it just gives me such a natural look. It basically enhances my look, and that's why I really like it. It's definitely worth my money because I have been kind of eyeing this product for a long time. Next, I'm going to use my brow pencil just to give it a bit of life. This is the first time I'm actually mixing the brow tint with the eyebrow pencil. Look, it actually looks so good. I could have done this sooner, you know. My personality was based on cuteness as a teenager. That's right, this is my normal voice, and I can switch to a cute voice like this. I don't know why, it's just I don't know, I just love it. It's so cute. I've been told by my friends I sound really creepy when I do that, but I like to take a piss. I'm not going to put foundation because I feel like recently I haven't really been putting foundation with my makeup. I watched so many Igari makeup, and I have this guy to kind of help me with contour and the concealer because I've never done Igari makeup before. My eyebrows looks good. I'm just kind of going to conceal other place I need to conceal. There is my fingertips, just to blend it off. I remember when I used to be so scared to put on makeup because I just feel like it doesn't look good on me. But now I've been learning how to do makeup. Yeah, I'm smashing it, man. So girls, put on that body makeup. I'm going to conceal underneath my eye. The other one here, under my nose crease, up there, here. Then I'm going to let this sit for some minutes before I blend it out. I'm going to use my Cuff Case Contour Kit, this brown. I'm kind of going to just do my normal contour routine, like so. I'm going to set my concealer with the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder to just pat that there. Not so much, not so cakey. Time to contour my nose. I'm going to use this flat brush. Using this guide, I'm going to contour like how this suggested, like this. Oh, did I make a mistake? I think I made a mistake, guys. I think I made a mistake. What the fuck? There. This is to make my nose look a bit small, I guess. I think I put too much contour on my nose. I can't lie. Is it too much? I feel like I put too much. What the fuck? This is a lot. Let's bring that out to the crease, actually. It's worked slightly. I'm gonna bring that over my crease. I'll use a liquid blush first before a powdered brush, and I'm going to use the light pink, and this is also from Made by Mitchell Cough. You put the blush around here. Oh shit, I forgot to wipe off the powder. I'm just going to keep the blush there. Around there. It's underneath the nose. Blush here. Some blush there. Pink lady, oh lord. Hope this comes out really great though. And for the egg yourself, I'm going to use her as my inspo. She's so good. Her name is Sky. I think her name is Sky. I think she does really cute makeup. For my egg yourself now, I'm going to use a skin color eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this color. Let's take this blush.
You go right into the little nook and cranny. See how my eye socket thing would be down here. I'm going right on the line. Just like that. Already, look at that difference. You can see that this is, and I'm gonna ever so slowly just blend out.
I'm gonna use this color for the highlights.
Again, keep squinting so you can see the line.
Squint. Okay, this is cute. This is really cute. So I think I've done my egg yourself. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Let's start with like this brown to outline my crease a little bit. I hope this looks good because this is my first time actually doing Igari makeup. I'm gonna use my pink eyeshadow from NYX, and this is the Ultimate I Know That's Bright. Using that color there. Next, I'm going in with my eyeliner. I want to tear up, oh my gosh. I think I did this eye well. I'm going to do the other side. No! What is this? Guys, eye makeup is a big challenge for me. If you didn't want this to be that way though. Okay. I'm just going to... What the fuck? My eye looks so big and cute. I don't know what to do with this now, so let's try to clean that up because I'm going to clean this up. I'm gonna try this makeup look again. Look at my eyes, guys. For mascara, I'm using the Refined mascara. I think I'm gonna put in lashes on. Oh my gosh. I just realized I forgot to put a primer. I always forget to put a primer. Oh. Do you know what? I think I'll put a tiny cute lashes. I'm gonna use these tiny lashes. This is the eye with the lashes, and that's the one without lashes. I don't really like how this looks, so I'm just going to use a liner to hide it. So the eye is done. What do you think? Cute. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to use my contour kit. I'm just going to just put that there. I'm going to use this pink just to pat it down. So let me try something different. Let me see if I can use this red to just create like a red undertone. There. Oh yeah. You worked. Next I'm going in with Fenty's lip gloss, a clear one. This makeup looks so good, I can't lie. You kidding me? I just enhanced my cuteness. Oh, wow. Oh! What the hell? Oh my gosh! This is going to be my everyday look right now. What the hell? I look so cute! Okay. I was so excited. Setting spray. Fixing spray. Oh my gosh! This is so kawaii! I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I don't know if you can see what I can see. So let me do like my cute voice.
She is so kawaii that she's oishi. I am so kawaii that I am oishi. Oishi, man.
I would love with this makeup. I know it's my first time, but damn, slayed. Like, okay cuties, this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you love the look. I've never really sat down to actually do an Igari makeup and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. If you enjoy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also rate my makeup down below in the comment section to let me know if there's anything I'm missing, and if you want me to try it again, I will surely try it again. Definitely try it and I'll be much better next time. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. While you're still here, don't forget to check out my previous video, which is the summer outfits to wear in summer, cloudy and rainy days.